Hello guys, today we're gonna play Would You Rather, but it happens. Oh no. So basically, yung pipiliin natin ay magkakatotoo. So yeah, we gotta be careful. Okay, ito example. Okay,
Would you
let's
rather
see.
have a random
Oh, that's
hairstyle
nice. Okay.
or be entirely bald?
No, I don't wanna be bald, dude. Kita mo yan, halos wala na nga akong buhok, tas magiging bald pa ako. Yeah, I think having a random hairstyle is the best option here, guys. So yeah, sana maganda yung makuha kong hairstyle, dude.
Look at this
okay.
dude. Look at his hair.
Uy! Bakit nyo pinagtatawanan, ha? Okay, not bad naman yung haircut eh. Natabunan na yung panot ko. It's better than balding, you know? Okay na yan, kaysa sa maging kalbo. Mukha akong itlog dun eh. Okay,
Would
ano
you
to?
rather be way
too tall
or be too short?
Be too short. Nah, I think obvious naman yung answer dito eh. I don't wanna be short, you know? I wanna be tall, dude. Kasi ang daming advantage ng maging, you know, maging matangkad. Gaya ng pag-abot ng gamit sa mga matataas na cabinet, you know? So yeah, I wanna be... Bro, ano yan? Binabawi ko na, bro. Gusto ko maging matangkad, hindi maging si Slenderman. Ano ba yan? Bro, ano ba yan? Ang tangkad-tangkad ko, tas liit ng ulo ko. Ang liit ng ulo. Oh, may reset size. Okay, nice. Kala ko magiging matangkad na ako for the rest of my life.
Wear a
tutu?
Or be an egg
Be an egg for 15 seconds. Yeah, bro. I don't wanna wear a tutu. I'd rather be an egg for 15 seconds. You know, 15 seconds lang naman yan eh. Yeah. Oh, Humpty Dumpty soda na wo. Okay, next. Ano to? Okay, let's
Would you rather save the baby
Oh no, the baby is
or
in
save
danger.
the cookie?
Oh, so mukhang masarap tong cookie na to ah. Yeah, so still kahit masarap yung cookie, guys, you know, we still need to save the, you know, I think obvious naman yung answer eh. So yeah, we're gonna save the, of course, we're gonna save the cookie. Masarap tong cookie. Okay, what is this?
Would you rather have one Robux beggar
Okay.
or have 5 Robux beggars?
Uy, grabe, ang dami naman yan. Wala nga akong Robux eh. Okay, try nga natin 5. Uy, grabe, ang dami. Uy, grabe ang ingay. Uy, ang ingay nyo naman. Uy, huwag nga kayo magtulakan. Wala nga akong Robux eh. Uy, ang ingay nyo naman. Sabi, wala nga akong Robux eh. Ano ba? Okay, next na nga. Grabe ang ingay. Ano
Would
to?
you rather have a
Burger. Burger. Ano to? Freeze. Burger at freeze. Ano ba yan? Umalis ka kayo. Huwag nga kayo magtulakan. Ano ba yan? Ang ingay nyo naman. Ayun, finally wala na. Finally natakasan ko yung mga Robux beggar na yan. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna choose freeze kasi yung burger isa lang yan eh. Yung freeze madami. O diba? Sabi sa inyo, dami kong freeze. Yes. Oo, may freeze na ako. Okay, ano to? Would you rather?
Would you rather join the group
Join the group and like the game?
or be stuck in detention?
Oh, that's Baldi! Ba't andyan si Baldi? Nah bro, I'm too lazy to join the group and like the game. So yeah, we're gonna run. Okay, andyan na si Baldi. Di mo mahuli. Andyan na si Baldi. Di mo ko mahuli. You can't catch me, boy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yun na yun. Ang basic naman nun eh. Apaka-basic. Okay,
Would
next.
you
Ano
rather
to?
own an annoying chicken
Ang cute
or
ng chicken,
own
ha?
an annoying
Cute din
cow?
yung cow. But I think I'm gonna choose chicken, bro. Kasi ang cute talaga ng chicken, you know? The chicken's very cute. Ulo. Hoy, gumising ka dyan! Ay, ayun. Kala ko namatay ka na. Ano ba yan? You scared me, bro. Okay, papangalanan kitang fried chicken. Okay, stick with me, fried chicken. Okay, next.
Would you rather
Ano
be
to?
an e-girl
Would you rather be an
or
e-girl?
shrink down
Ano yung e-girl?
75%?
I don't even know what e-girl is, bro. Okay, let's see kung anong meron sa e-girl. What? Ano yan? Hey yo, nasaan si Zai Spice? Ibalik nyo si Zai Spice. Ano ba yan? Ginawa
Would you
nyo pa
rather
ang babae.
sound like a
Ano to?
boy
Sound like a boy. Or sound like a girl. So, total, babae naman yung avatar natin. Ang weird naman siguro kasi ganito yung avatar mo, tapos yung boses mo pang lalaki. Magmumukha tayong bading dyan eh. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna choose sound like a girl. Okay, let's try.
Typing in chat to hear your voice.
Weh, di nga. Oy, try nga natin.
Hi.
Oh! Hey, yo! Sige nga, isa pa.
Hoji sees us best.
Oh! Legit! Totoo yan! Totoo! Okay, next.
Rather
Ano to?
have
banana arms.
or banana legs?
Have banana legs. Ang random naman nito. Guess what? Anong pinili ko, guys? Guess what? Okay, ano to? Have a homeless man follow you. Oh, that's kinda creepy. Have a crying baby follow you. Ano ba yan? Ang ingay ng crying baby. Tsaka yung homeless man, parang ang creepy naman. Pwede bang dito na lang ako sa gitna? Okay, let's do the baby. Ay, okay lang. Di naman ganun ka, ano eh. Di naman ganun ka ingay eh. Okay lang. Ba't umiiyak yung baby ko? Ayan na to. Be fat. Okay?
Or be skinny.
Or be skinny. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna be skinny kasi, you know, why not coconut? Okay, let's go. Oy! Oy, ano yan? Magmukha na ako stick ko. Eh, yo, ba't may Robux beggar na naman? Ha? Ay, bakit may ganito? Sabi ko wala ka akong Robux eh. Ano ba yan? May Robux beggar pa, tas may umiyak pang bata. Ano ba yan? Ano to? Watch the Snurp song. What is that? Or complete an obby. Okay, so, ano ba yan? Baka kayo sunod na sunod. Teka nga lang. Ano ba yan? Yes! Finally, wala nang Robux beggar at umiiyak na bata. And I'm back to my original. Yes, I'm back to my original avatar. Let's go. Nakikita na ulit yung panot ko. So, you know guys, I'm a professional obby player. So yeah, we're gonna complete an obby because I'm pro, you know. Oh, look at this. Hey, easy. Oh, very easy. Oh, this is wala, naglag kasi kaya ako nahulog. So, yeah. Okay, we are close. Ay, very easy. Yun na ba yun? Ay, nako, basic naman. Kita nyo yun. First try pa yun, ha? First try. Okay, what is this? Ano to? Grow dragon wings. Oh, makas yan, ha? Grow angel's wings. Maganda yung angel's wings. It looks clean. Pero yung dragon wings, bro, ang angas tignan. It looks very cool. So, yeah, I gotta pick dragon wings. Oh, diba? Grabe, look at that. It looks so cool, bro. Mukha na akong aswang. Anyways, okay, let's go.
Would you
Ano
rather
to?
marry 6?
Mary 6'7"? What do you mean? Or Mary Skibidi Toilet? Bro, what? Bro, ano to? What do you mean Mary 6'7" or Skibidi Toilet, bro? Yeah, bro, I think I'm gonna go 6'7", bro. Kasi kapag si Skibidi Toilet yung i-marry mo, nako, mabaho yan. Mabantot yan. Toilet nga ni. May toilet bang mabango? Ha? Yeah, no choice tayo guys. We gotta go with 6'7". Hey, yo! Nasa simbahan kami! What? May kasal? Oy, may kalbo! No! Kinakasal kami ni 6'7". Oh, no! No, bro. I don't want this. Hey, yo! Anong klase sasakyan yan, bro? Okay, that was weird. Yo, that was weird, bro. Anyways, let's move on.
Would you rather be rich?
Be rich. Okay,
or
okay.
be famous?
Or be famous. Oh, this is a tricky question, guys. I think I'm gonna choose be famous kasi kapag famous ka, you're gonna earn money. Kaya pag YouTube, 'di ba, kumikita ka, kapag famous ka, maraming mag-i-sponsor sa iyo. O 'di ba, big brain. Big brain kapag famous ka, magiging rich ka rin, you know. O 'di ba, big brain. Oy, grabe, dami kong fans. Why are you taking a picture of me? Ngayon lang ba kayo nakakitang panot na James Reid? Ha? Poging panot, nakamukha ni James Reid. Okay, next, what is this? Be best friends with a bacon. Okay.
Or be
Okay.
BFF
Be best friend with a noob. I think I'm gonna choose bacon, guys, kasi why not coconut, you know?
You and me
Whoa.
sitting in a tree.
Hello,
acting
Bacon.
as Best friends can. Hey, bestie.
Hey, yo.
My best friend.
Okay na. Best friend na tayo, boy. Oh, best friend nga tayo. Tumahimik ka na. Bro, give me alone. Bro, give me alone. Bro, ang ingay mo. Give me alone. Whew! Finally, wala na yung bacon. Grabe ang ingay niya, boy. Okay, ano to?
Listen
to jazz music. Oh, I like jazz
Or
music,
listen
bro.
to
Elevator music.
music.
Bro, what even is elevator music, bro? Yeah, maganda naman yung jazz music, ah. Oh, hey, maganda naman eh. Maganda naman eh. Oh, hey. Maganda naman yung jazz music eh. Okay, ano to?
Rather
Like the game. Nah, bro, I'm too lazy. Make all the devs cry. Ha! Pakiiyakin ko kayo, boy. Oh, umiyak na siya. Oh, no.
We worked so hard. Please give us a
Oh,
like.
no. Umiyak na sila, boy.
Just one little like
Oh,
and
ba't
we
ka
will
umiyak?
stop
Wala ka
crying,
namang mata.
please.
Napaiyak ko sila, guys. Just because I'm too
Would you
lazy to
rather
like the game.
save your
Oh, yan to.
first friend?
Oh.
Save your second friend.
Oh, may kalbo na naman. Yeah, guys, we gotta save this bald guy, you know, kasi magkamukha kami and we look pogi. Eh, mga pogi. Yeah, bro, mabuhay ang mga kalbo. Ay, yo, is that 6'7"? 6'7"? Okay, next. Ano
Would you
to?
rather eat toilet
paper. Ew, yucks.
rotten milk?
Drink rotten milk. Ew, yuck. Ew, kapag kakainin mo yung toilet paper, di mo alam, baka may taing tumalsik dun. Ew, makakain mo rin yung tae na tumalsik dun. Yucks. Yeah, I think drinking rotten milk is the better option here, guys. Ew, yucks. Oy, umiyak na siya. Umiyak. Yeah. Di kinaya, umiyak,
Would you
guys.
rather
O, ano to? Do the worm.
Or do the floss?
Or do the floss. Floss is pretty common. Magwo-worm ako, guys. Hey, grabe. Hey, grabe ang kalig. Hey, grabe. Hey, grabe, kaya ko pala yun. Okay, next na to. Have a balloon.
Or finish the game.
Or finish the game. Yo, we can finish the game na. Hey, yo, mapifinish na natin yung game. Bro, I gotta finish the game. Hey! Let's go! Hey, yo, we finished the game, bro. Hey, yo, ano yan? Is that tung sahur? So, yeah, guys. I think it's time to say goodbye kasi natapos na natin yung game. And sana naman ay nag-enjoy kayo. Kung nag-enjoy kayo, ay wag na wag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. Bye-bye!